Here we are in the cockpit once again with the spaghetti all over the place and a properly adjusted camera this time. There's none of the fancy GUI stuff because, well, my previous version of Raspbian, which is the Raspberry Pi operating system, stopped recognizing the camera, so I ended up having to pretty much redo Raspberry Pi, and this is just the basic, vanilla functions that Raspberry Pi comes with for the camera. You press X and enter, and it exits, and you can see my wonderful background now. And so if I just put in that function, Raspberry still -V, which does all this diagnostic stuff, and then -K, which does the keyboard interaction to shut it down, and then VF, which does the flips it vertically so it's the right way up, and I think I need to do HF to get it the right way forward. There we go. Now it looks a lot better. As you can see, it now matches the angle of where that house is, because it's angled going this way, and you can see that previously it was going the other way. So now everything is the right way around, and we should be good for test drives. I've also got some switches back here. They aren't housed in anything, but if I press both of them on, 1 and 2, I need to house them somewhere better. And we will go out of the mech to see what they do. Sorry about that, I had to grab my hat. Ugh. And try not to get caught on all the protruding nuts and bolts on my way out. That's one of the bad things about Marduk. There's lots of nuts and bolts sticking out, so it's a bit of a hazard. But you can see all the headlights are on, and someone's car alarm just went off. And they're controlled from the switch. The 2 LEDs are controlled from just 3 AA batteries, while those big headlights on the bottom are actually controlled or powered from the car battery. So there's a bit of a dual power system going on. Well, triple power system. And of course our friend the umbilical. So Marduk should be all set for a speedier test drive. So if you enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.